Ever wondered why your beloved green friends wilt despite all the love? Root rot could be the culprit, a silent assassin. It's often too late before we even notice. But fear not, we're here to help you save the day. First, remove the infected plant from its pot. Gently shake off the soil and examine the roots. Healthy roots are firm and white, while root rot makes them brown and mushy. Next, trim off the affected roots with a clean, sharp pair of scissors. Don't be shy. It's vital to remove all the rotten parts. After the surgery, soak the plant in a fungicide solution for 10 minutes. This helps to kill any remaining root rot fungus. Finally, repot your plant in fresh, well-draining soil. And remember, prevention is better than cure. Always avoid overwatering and ensure your plants have proper drainage. With these steps, you can become a plant-saving superhero. Remember, green thumbs are made, not born. Until next time, keep growing.